And separating that from the conversations and system, like moving places, and people are not just lining for proceeding like objectives or like solar points on places that gives them a higher, compensation in return. So you learn this as a manager. Leadership in a format. Once we talk about identify people, we put them to the match, which helps them lead in person in a corporate organization. And then it's really right attention and meditation. Okay, so this is the basic stuff, right? You have the leaders in the organization already, like a rating and the narrating of that. They become another leaders, and they're growing the next generation of leaders. Probably the most important task that a manager in any organization has is to like flag this stuff, like to train them. My strategy usually they travel and see how some conversations take place. Like how event when you know communities or charters, right? That's the minute.
Cool. I'm going to say something maybe controversial, but I don't think leadership can be taught. I mean, I think you can learn how to be a better leader, but I think leadership is a state of being, right? And even individual contributors, right, that are taking ownership of what they're doing, interacting with their peers in a way that is respectful and inspiring. Those are leaders, in my opinion, right?
Can you get them better over?
And it gets better over time.